Variation number 10. This variation is based on the classic three-step structure, but on top of that structure we're adding extra layer, which is a thread. So we're not changing anything, but we're adding more into the free space that the structure of three-step has itself. Let me explain you how that thread actually is executed inside of the three-step structure. And then we're gonna go through the whole structure from the beginning, and I will give you some recommendations how to work with it. Okay, so the thread is happening straight away after the classic position of the three-step in the moment when we're executing the kick. So in my case, this is left leg in the air after the right leg front sweep. Once I'm reaching that position, the next what I want to do is to grab my toe with the right hand. So from that kick, I'm grabbing the toe and I'm already making the step here, yeah? From here, I'm making the thread inside, and once I'm landed, I let go the left leg, the left toe, and it kick out the right leg forward. And I'm landing on the left leg toe again. And from here, I'm ready to go to my classic three-step variation. I don't recommend to do this variation continuously a lot, not more than 2 times. First of all, it takes a lot of energy. Second, there is no reason to do any variation more than 2 times. Better to do 1 time, the next is already something new. Then it's gonna be way more interesting than just continuously repeating the same variation. Let me show you what is happening with my legs in the moment of thread from that angle, so you can understand the order of the steps. I made the front sweep to the kick from here. Grab, here I'm already on the toe. I'm not sitting deep. I'm holding myself as high as possible. Thread, from that one, I'm letting it go. And at the moment when I unlock the thread, I'm landing on my hand and landing on the toe that I was holding for the grab. And now from the right leg, I'm ready to go again to the three-step variation. If you want to do it continuously, you pretty much add the next thread straight after that position again. So you make the kick again, grab, thread, kick out, kick, grab, thread, kick out, kick. That's the whole pattern, that's the whole structure. Drill it, master, take your time, because this one is not easy. It's gonna take some time, I guarantee you. See you in the next lessons.